Okay, folks, after a little bit of time and trial and error, this is the gas cap door, the inside. I am standing under the car in the lift, and just to get a spatial orientation, that's where the gas tank goes, which I'm going to put in right now. And this is the aforementioned tool, or the Petrol door cap. That's the official name for it. But that little bugger spring, that's a little sucker, man. That little bad boy was stretched out, so I had to cut the end off and bend it over to get it to have a little bit more spring. And these rivets, I had to bend those over or crush them, because the original ones are brass. The replacement ones from Classic Alfa are these aluminum. So I had to be very careful and crush the end and not destroy the end and fold it over too much on one end versus the other end to make it more of a mushroom effect, which I was pretty successful in doing, considering I only had just a small C-clamp vice grip to do that with. So that's on. I'm not going to put the new rubbers in here yet until after the car is painted, which Doug will do. I'm not quite sure about around here. You would think there would be like a rubber boot gasket or something to keep any water or anything from the outside of the car coming in and getting the trunk all wet. I think there's some kind of, this could be fixed and strengthened and enhanced, I think, a little bit better. I know the Porsche 928s from day one had a boot here, and modern cars have that, but I'm not sure about this one. I don't know if there's a gasket that's supposed to go around here. I don't know, but that's something that I'm going to look into to figure out. Okay, that thing is now done. Okay, tschüss.